everyone. I am Asiel Hardison, dancer choreographer. I'm here with The Desire Company, and I'm letting you know how to just use your hands when you dance. Your hands are just another form of your expression when you're dancing. So just kind of let your personality come out. In my combo, I had you going heel, toe, and when I was doing my heel, I was just pressing to the right and switching. What that does is it kind of helps me, I'm engaging my core, but it also helps me keep my balance. It's like a little counterbalance thing. It helps me keep my balance, and it also just adds a nice little technique to it as well. So you have a little action going on with that.